Hi Filipino learners! Kumusta kayo? My name is JC, and in today's Tagalog shorts, I will be teaching you how to say how much and how many in Tagalog. Let's get started. Ilan is used for nouns that you can count. In English, it is translated as how many. Now let's use ilan in sentences. Ilang tao ang bibisita? How many people will visit? Ilang baso ang kailangan mo? How many glasses do you need? As you can see, I said ilang with letter NG at the end when I'm specifying the object that I'm asking the number of. Ilang tao, ilang baso. But if you're not going to specify the object like ilan ang bibisita, how many will visit, ilan ang kailangan mo, how many do you need, you just say ilan. Now, if you want to say how much, as in you're asking for the amount of something that you can't count, you say gaano karami. For example, water is something that you cannot count. So you can say, gaano karaming tubig ang ininom mo? How much water did you drink? Gaano karaming asukal ang dinagdag niya? How much sugar did he or she add? So sugar is also something that you can count. So we use gaano karami. And again, as you can see, I use gaano karaming with an NG because I'm specifying the noun. But if you're not going to specify the noun, you can just say gaano karami ang ininom mo? How much did you drink? Gaano karami ang dinagdag niya? How much did he or she add? So here, I did not add NG at the end. And I just want to add this one, magkano. Now in English, you also use how much if you're asking the cost of something or the price of something you want to buy. In Tagalog, however, you don't say gaano karami for that. Instead, you should say magkano. Halimbawa, magkano ang isang kilong isda? How much is 1 kilo of fish? Magkano ang isang dosenang itlog? How much is a dozen of eggs? Well, that's it for today. Let me know if you have any video suggestions or questions through the comments. Give us a thumbs up if you like this and subscribe to this channel for more Filipino grammar lessons. Salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.